In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Now, getting into Salesforce's powerful suite of marketing tools might seem a bit daunting at first, but rest assured, it's quite straightforward once you know what steps to follow. Let's get started. First up, you'll want to navigate to the Salesforce website. Simply open up your browser and type in the Salesforce URL. This will bring you to their homepage, which is your first point of contact with all things Salesforce. Once you've reached the homepage, you need to find the Login or Profile button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Give it a click and it will lead you to the next step in accessing your Marketing Cloud account. Now that you're in the Login section, you want to look for something called the Marketing Cloud button. It's essentially a gateway into Salesforce's suite of marketing tools, and you'll need to click on it to proceed. This will direct you to the Marketing Cloud-specific login page. Here, you'll be prompted to type in your username. Make sure you enter this correctly, as even a small typo could prevent you from accessing your account. Take a moment to double-check what you've typed in just to be sure. After you've entered your username, click on the Next button. This action takes you one step closer to full access, pushing you through to the next part of the login process. Following that, you'll be met with a password prompt. Type in the password associated with your Marketing Cloud account. It's incredibly important to keep your password secure and private to protect the contents of your account from unauthorized access. Once your password is in, you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click it. After this, you might need to wait a few moments for everything to process. But don't worry, this is totally normal. The system is just verifying your credentials and preparing to open up the Salesforce Marketing Cloud interface for you. And that's it! You've successfully logged into Salesforce Marketing Cloud. You now have access to a robust set of tools designed to help you manage and optimize your marketing efforts. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you navigate this login process, the quicker and more intuitive it will become. So go ahead, dive in, explore, and make the most of what Salesforce Marketing Cloud has to offer.